Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if UC Cellular Update failed on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, you just need to first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. Cellular data, just tap on cellular, but you just try to turn it off and turn on again. And also you can try to switch cellular data options. So just try to switch it from LTE to 3G and to LTE again after. So sometimes it helps. Another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again, so just simple restart your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.